Okay, here we go. Spectra, half case number one. Show you guys your teams real quick. And we got to roll, pick out some boxes. Way up there. I'll show you guys my ceiling. Did you just say you're back with a brand new bankroll? Awesome. Let's rip. The Bears, huh? They're my favorite team too. Good luck, man. I hope you get something insane out of it. I'm from Chicago, so. Mike, yes, I am coming back for the National, by the way. I saw your question earlier. See, look at that. You guys are trade buddies now. Spectra. All right. Let's go 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 2. What's wrong with these 4? Good luck to you. Weird light. I have not opened any of this yet. Hardly looks like it could have cards in it. It's a cool box. Real cool. I think we got some points or something in there. I like the packaging. It's pretty fancy. All right. Anything on the back? Autographs. Got some gold in here. I don't know how these are. Let's just look at them. Here's your first card, Derek Carr. Derek Carr, Rookie of the Week. Jeremy Macklin, I guess this is the base cards, maybe. Number to 75, all the bases to 75, that's sick. Jeremy Hill to 149. What's the difference there? First hit, Marcus Smith, Eagles. That's J-Rich to 149. Hobby cheater card. My bad. Mike Davis. The cards look really nice. To 49. They're all thick. Big stack. I'm quite fond of those blues. Zach Mettenberger, Titans. To 149. That's sick. Barry Sanders blue for the Lions. Sooner Steve. To 49. Tom Savage. 1 out of 49. Texans. Big Poppy. Gold. Jeremy Curley. 17 out of 25. Where is Joxy? Got another gold. Marquise Lee. Building blocks. Man, these are nice. You're going to like these. These things look nasty. 7 out of 25. Kadeem Carey jersey to 199. Another gold. Wow. Cornerstones. Matt Ryan. Falcons. P-Bells. 9 out of 25. Jumbo jersey for the Rams. What's up, Bubba Pat? Tom Savage and Jadeveon Clowney on a 199. Johnny Manziel, blue. Rizzo, 8 out of 49. Derek Carr to 199. That one's got some. Nope, it's part of the design. And wow, look at that. Sammy. P-Belts. That's sick. What was the longest break ever? 8 out of 25. That was box 1. Tons of hits. Oh, that big old like 13 case break or whatever. He took a nap. To each his own, I guess. Teddy Bridgewater, Player of the Week card. Oh boy. Chad Henne. It is $275. Khalil Mack. Okay, so the vets are to 75. The rookies are to 149. Doug Martin blue to 49. Jeremy Hill blue to 49. Red Dan Marino. Look at that. Sick. That's the 5, huh? 4 out of 10. Dolphins. S.B. Collins. That is a sick card, man. E.J. Hawk. 36 out of 49. Cody Latimer, building blocks. Broncos. Ryan Shazier, Steelers. Nice. Have to pick some of those up. Big Poppy. 61 out of 99. Aaron Murray, Chiefs. Cornerstones, Derek Johnson, dirty jersey to 199. Dual, Blake Bortles, Johnny Manziel. Jaguars is Hockey on Call, and the Browns belong to Rizzo. That'll have to be a random. It's 46 out of 49. Bortles, Manziel, Bridgewater, Derek Carr, and some funk in the middle. Sticky funk. 188 out of 199. Blue, Charles Sims. I like this stuff. I think it looks good. Darren Reeves, Panthers. Shooter to 149. Gold, dual auto, CJ Federwicks and Xavier Suafilo. Houston Texans belong to Big Papi, 8 out of 25. Darren Reeves. And last one of the box, going to the Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater. Sooner Steve to 149. Teddy B, on-card auto. Sick. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Oh, that's a sick card. OBJ. The catch. All right. Keenan Allen. These are to 75. DeAnthony Thomas. Frank Gifford. Blue. 49. Anquan Bolden die cut. Sick. 49ers. 25. I like these. All day. Yeah. That guy. Gosh. Darren McFadden. That'll get 10 too. 5 out of 10. Die cuts are sick. I think that Spectra's very nice. Cordero Patterson. I hope you can see the cards like well on the camera. 3 out of 49. Cordero. Building blocks. Charles Sims. It's shiny. What's up, Iron Man? 7 out of 49. Charles Sims. Oh, grab 2 of them. Who is it? Brandon Cooks, Jumbo, and Carlos Hyde. 191 out of 199, 147 out of 199. Teammates, CJ Spiller, Fred Jackson. Not anymore. To 199. Building blocks, Mike Evans. Bam. To 49. Triple double sports. Or trip dub. Another jumbo jersey, Kelvin Benjamin. Panthers. A.J. McCarron, Bengals. I feel like it just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. This is going to the Giants. Orleans Darkwa. Orleans Darkwa. 149. Quincy Enunwa, Jets. It's got a fancy autograph. Martavius. Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me? He should be ashamed of that. What did they cut his pay that week for the signatures? Come on, dude. The 149. I think we should send this in to Panini and just be like, he forgot to sign this. Yeah, can you call this guy and tell him to do what you paid him for? Do your job. Got a die cut in here. Sick. Sammy. Fred Jackson. Mike Evans. Troy Polamalu blue. Sammy Watkins black. That's a good thing. 2 out of 5. He got it all on the sticker. Bills is P-Belds. Having a good night. Die cut. Die cut gold. LaShawn McCoy. Eagles. Nice card. J. Rich. 9 out of 10. Couple days too late. Going to Buffalo. Card's going to J. Rich. Dynamic duos. Kendall Wright and Jake Locker. 21 out of 25. Larry Fitz. Jers. 42 out of 49. Cornerstones. Terrell Suggs. Wearing thigh pads. That's new. 106 out of 99. 199, I should say. Jadeveon Clowney. Texans. Building blocks. To 199. Aaron Murray and DeAnthony Thomas. For the Chiefs. To 199. Aaron Murray and A.J. McCarron. Chiefs, Bengals. Rizzo and Smalley. A quad. Bishop Sankey, Jeremy Hill, Carlos Hyde, and Charles Sims. 144 out of 199. Dual auto. Devin Street, Zach Martin. Cowboys. PK Reborn. Jimmy Mahan as the Bengals. Sorry. Team right above you. Calvin Pryor. A little bit better. He's been hanging out with Martavius. David Yankee. Vikings. And Blake Bortles blue. Sick. To 49. Blake Bortles. That's it, right? Yep. A couple random off. This one, this one, this one, and this one. We'll do that right now. Thank you, everybody who joined. I appreciate it. Working on shipping tomorrow. Alright, let's take a look here. Where did the cards go? Jags, Browns. Jags is hockey on call. Browns is Rizzo. Okay. Jags, hockey on call. Browns is Rizzo. Vikings, Sooner Steve. And Raiders is Smalley. Aaron Murray. And Bengals. Titans. Sooner Steve. Bengals. Jimmy Mahan. 49ers. CAFSU. And Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Triple Double Sports. Alright, here we go. Going 3 times on the randomizer. Team on top wins the card. Good luck. This one is for the quad. These guys: Bishop Sankey, Jeremy Hill, Carlos Hyde, Charles Sims, numbered 144 out of 199. 1, 2, 3. Going to the Bengals. Jimmy Mahan. Next up, Chiefs, Bengals, Aaron Murray, AJ McCarron. Going 3 times. Team on top wins the card. 1, 2, 3. Going to the Bengals, Jimmy Mahan. Next one up, Jimmy can't win this one. This one is for the Jaguars, Browns, Vikings, and Raiders. Bortles, Manziel, Bridgewater, Derek Carr, 186 or 188. Can't tell. Out of 199. 3 times, going to the team on top. 1, 2, 3. Jaguars. Jaguars, Mark. Hockey on call. Jaguars, Browns. Here you go. 3 times, team on top wins the card. Bortles and Manziel to 49. 1, 2, and 3. Going to the Browns. Rizzo. That's it. That's your break. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. We will see you next time. Peace.